Joe's Golden Garage here. Oh my God, we're seeing double. No, what we've got is my mother came to town to pay me a visit tonight. She's gonna spend the night. We're gonna grill some steaks on the grill and enjoy some wine and just visit. And as you can see, she's got a twin. Hers is an 06 ls430 as well. This car's featured on my channel. This car does not have the gold package, thank goodness. As you can see, this one does. This one has never had any paint work, where this one has had the bumpers painted and they have not held up very well. Now, something weird about on my mom's is she's got this kind of rough spots that have popped up. I don't know if it's from road wear, but this car only has about 84,000 miles on it compared to 151,000 on this one. So not really sure where that came from. It just has a real rough feel to it. So some of the paint has peeled off right there. No paint work on this car, but paint work on front and rear bumpers on this one only. And I'll show you the difference here. You can see how I did this in the video earlier of the bubbling of the paint. And then of course here we don't have any of that. Main differences, again, no gold package versus gold package. I do not like the gold package, but hey, what can you do? Let's see, I got the key to hers. I mean, seriously, these cars are just alike. Hers has a few more options. It has the navigation with Bluetooth, backup camera, and Mark Levinson. Let's do a little start up here. But as far as running and driving, oh, it's got 85,000 miles. Oh, I forgot. She just came from Florida, so she's just been on a big 800-mile road trip. So yeah, 85,000. Looks like it turned over sometime today. But these two cars, I mean, just alike, except for this. And this makes the biggest difference in the world. Just having a backup camera and having Bluetooth. Here in the state of Georgia, you know, it's illegal to even have your phone in your hand. So when I'm doing these videos of where I'm driving these, you know, I'm breaking the law. So anyway, let's pop the hood on this one. They both run just the same. I mean, I think the vibration is just the same as this one. Let's go ahead and crank this one up too. I'm giving everybody Lexus overload the past couple of days. Got this one serviced today. Got rid of the maintenance light and the low tire flashing. As you can see, 151,000. And there is your dash without the Mark Levinson and without the nav and backup camera. It has the heated and cooled seats and the power rear sunshade, and all the wood grain trim is all the same. This one though has an ugly wear spot on the armrest where my mother's, oops, that door's locked. Hers does not. Hers looks like new. All right. I mean, can you even hear them running? It's amazing how well these cars, I mean, it's just phenomenal. This one with 151,000 runs just as good as that one with 85,000. Let's get the headlights going. There we go. They both have the, you know, the high, even though these look a shade different. They're the headlights, of course, that are self-leveling, and they turn in the corners, so that's cool. Yeah, you can see where that paint's chipping off and bubbling up there. But I don't think that car has had any. Okay, there's the VIN sticker for the fender, VIN sticker for that fender. Then I don't think it's been, this all looks like original parts, so I think the damage must have been limited to just the bumpers, because they're the only things that appear to be repaints. Little rev shot. Man, they literally sound just the same. Yep, get that bumper repainted and it would look just as good as this car. Neither one had any door dings to speak of. My mom's has one ding right here that came from a shopping cart years ago. But anyway, pretty cool. Tell me what you guys think. Which one would you rather have? That one's for sale. That one will never be sold. It will be driven until the wheels fall off. Anyway, y'all have a good night. I'm about to go fire up the grill and have a cold beverage. Peace.